farmer cultivated here. You can see over there on my left side there is another land, and the lands are full of tomato. And hey everybody, how is the condition of your area? Right now I'm standing at the middle side of road. Now I am get down into the lands, and you can see how is the condition my area. Now I am gonna show you how is the condition in my area. You can see today is the really foggy day. That's why I'm little bit cold. Today is the colder than any other day. Oh, there are a lot of grasses, and grasses wetted by the foggies, and the foggies are gradually get down from the sky, and the sky is totally full of foggies. Now I am in the field, and I can see there are sweet gourd trees available, and I think I'm gonna show you how is the condition. The sweet gourds is initiative stage, and there are not sweet available, and after some days I can assure that maybe the sweet gourd will growing from there. Okay, this is the condition of sweet gourds, and the farmer cultivated here. Okay, now I'm gonna show you another field. So dear learners, actually to be frank, I can say that today is really colder than any other days. That's why it is quite challenging to stay outside of house. Just I'm coming outside of house because of making this video, because I have taken decision. That's why I am making this video. Okay, you can see over there on my left side there is another land, and the lands are full of tomato, and there are a lot of tomato, and the tomatoes are initiative stage of there. And you can see over there on my left side there is another land, and the lands are full of tomato, and there are a lot of tomato, and the tomatoes are initiative stage of there. And within some days I guess the tomato will be full of planting. Okay, and you can see maybe I can show you properly because of foggies, and over there a lot of trees available. Okay dear learners, now I am back to from there. This is the condition of this field. I just try to share with you. So dear learners, how is the condition of your area? Please tell me. And you can see, oh, there is a pond, and near the pond there are a lot of trees available. Okay, and this is the condition of the sky. Today's sky is full of foggies. That's why I can't show you properly how is the condition of sky. Okay, so dear learners, I do not want to make it more longer. See you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay connected with Tamil English Care. Bye bye.